Over the last 4 years, traveling and experiencing new cultures has been the highlight of our lives. Our time in other countries have changed us, challenged us, and changed our outlook on the world. So many times we have been in situations that have carried each of us out of our comfort zone, and we've had crazy stories to tell when we've returned. As my friend Jamie says, embrace the chaos, and that's exactly what we've tried to do on all our trips. I used to have pictures in my mind of how traveling was supposed to look, but it's been the unpredictable circumstances that have made the biggest impressions on our hearts and sometimes our bodies. But that's a story for another day. All of that came to a halt this year, and 2020 has showed us that travel and adventure don't have to take you across the planet to the wonders of the world in order to have a great time. Most of our bucket list has included far-off exotic places to explore, but we've had time to get more creative in finding adventures close to home. There is so much to explore in our home state and country. You as well can have adventures like we do. You really don't need a passport or a giant budget. Maybe you just need some help on how to find activities in your own country or city. Each month when Eric gets his work flying schedule, I sit down with my YouTube video planner and lay out ideas of places to visit and new experiences to be had. You don't have to be the pilot couple to have an adventure in an airplane or helicopter. I suggest call your local little airport and ask for a discovery flight, and they'd be more than happy to point you in the right direction. It's a great way to experience your own city in a whole new way. Sometimes our adventures are as simple as riding our bikes through fun areas or the Everglades, or a run down a new trail. The most important part for us now is that we are together and trying new things. If you're stuck on ideas, check Pinterest or TripAdvisor for inspiration. I bet there are so many parks, trails, monuments, and museums in your own area that you had no idea existed or you haven't yet tried for yourself. I know this year has pushed me to be way more creative. While we do look forward to the day that we can get a new stamp on our passports, we've decided to make exploring our home country a priority and visit all 50 states together. Our goal with this channel is to inspire you to get outside your comfort zone and motivate you to experience your full potential and reach what it is that you define as success. Keep an eye out for our future Motivational Monday videos and tips on how to expand your own adventures. We hope you'll continue to join us on this journey.